In this question, we need to satisfy the equation or to find the value of n such that the equation should be satisfied according to the homogeneous equation. So the unit should be consistent on left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation. And this is the delta P, which is the change in pressure. This is density rho, and this is the speed. And we need to find the value of n, where K is having no units. So we know that V is measured in meter per second. All right, and this is a homogeneous equation. So K has no units, and we have then delta P, and delta P is the change in pressure. So the change in pressure will again be a quantity of pressure. So pressure is measured in kg over meter second squared. And this is divided by the density. So the density, the unit of density is, the formula for density is mass per unit volume. So we can say that the unit will be kg per unit meter cube. All right, and now this whole is raised to the power n. And we need to figure out the value of n such that the equation will remain homogeneous. So after the simplification, so meter per second will become equals to, so kg will cancel out with kg, and this will become meter cube over meter per second square raised to the power n. So we need to find the value of n. So we know that m is raised to the power 1 and second is raised to the power minus 1. And this will cancel out with this, and this will become 2. So we have meter times 2n and seconds time minus 2n. Right? So we can say that n must be equals to 1 by 2 in order for the equation to be consistent. So the correct option is option A.